Okay guys, we're at a cool one today. We just had lunch in here. Amazing place, what an amazing place. I'm going to do a tour now. According to the map here, there's 12 locations around the lake. 12 locations of interest. I don't know if I'm going to find them all or not, and I probably won't even bother. The main reason to come here is the food. Ah, that's a little loud. Don't they know I'm making a video here? Don't they know who I am? I am going to go around the lake. It doesn't say which way you should go. I'm going to follow this car. We'll stop at a few places. The main attraction, in my opinion, is the lake itself, which is a reservoir, and you'll see why. Restaurants here all over the place. Food is magnificent. The price, the meal we had cost like $12. Unbelievable. You know, in most tourist areas would have been double that for sure. Even in Chiang Mai, I think. Anyway, let's go take a look, see what we can find. It is very busy. Sunday afternoon, this place is packed. You do have to pay to get in here. 50 baht for me, and I think it's 20 baht for the wife. So it ain't free. All these people are paying to get here. There's just truckloads after truckloads coming in. The place is packed. There's a tram with some tourists on it. There are tour buses coming in here. I saw one rip the bottom and the bumper off the back of the bus on the way out. So big tour buses do come here. There's the lake. I don't know what that thing is over there, but just right in there is where they do weddings. Looks pretty nice. And that's where I ate. Straight across there, there are, I'm saying, a couple hundred of these bamboo huts. Right here, this one's floating. The one we were in was just sitting on the bottom but over the water. Try and get a little bit of a zoom here. Right there is the dam itself, I believe. It sure looks like it. Pretty nice place, man. And there's a boat that goes around here making waves, so I feel like you're at the ocean. Probably be interesting on the floating bamboo structure like this. Check out the sign. You can feed fish here. It's pretty cool. Right out here, they sell fish food. Lots of people swimming here. There's a sign on the road coming in that says don't try and swim across the lake. I guess that was has been a problem in the past. There's a boat out here, but it's not the one that was going around making the waves. It's way over on the other side, if you can see it, yeah? Pretty small boat compared to the other one. This is pretty nice. But there's King Kong somewhere. And we are going in the right direction to see him, according to the sign. Not nearly as many people on this side of the lake. But there's still a few. What a beautiful area, though, huh? At the tour stops here, must be something interesting going on. They're fishing. Lots of people fishing, actually. I saw a few back this way. Not sure what's up with that. Flight of the gibbon kind of deal, huh? Let's go down and see if they're catching. I don't think they're catching. I see a lot of these fishing places in my travels. I don't see a lot of fish. They don't seem to catch much, not when I'm around. Lots of rods out. Oh, this one's got a bamboo structure with his rods on there. Good way to see. That one's got fish, yeah? There's a fish in the bag right there. Caught something. Lots of nice rods. Nice dip knit. They're ready. And the graveyard for the bamboo structures is right here. I don't know why they do that. Wouldn't it be just easier to, as they break up, take them out instead of bringing them here and dumping them? Unbelievable. Makes no sense to me. Here comes a little boat. This would be an awesome place for a jet ski, wouldn't it? Huh? There's more restaurants over there as well. And I still didn't find King Kong. This would be a cool place to go camping, yeah? I don't know if you're allowed or not. A lot of people would just doing a family picnic. Amazing how many people are here considering everybody's got to pay to get in. But there are people that live inside this, like a park area as well. So maybe they're local. I guess they would be exempt from having to pay every time they came. You can't go home unless you pay. There's a lot more people fishing over this way and eating and having picnics and family time and on and on. This little kid's learning how to fish. But you see that? There's a guy going across the lake. I came here for this side. You can do a zip line across the lake both ways, I think. Yeah, you can come from that one and you hit here, and the other one's up in the tree somewhere. That is cool. I think he caught the bottom, or a monster. There goes another one. You're not allowed to swim across, but you can fly across, no problem. Safe and sound. There comes the next one. This one seems to be really motoring. Where are you at? There he is. Trying to touch the water. Yeah, he did it. Okay, that's enough of that fun. I found King Kong and a whole bunch of other ones. How cool is this? All made out of rice straw in the rice paddy. That's pretty cool. There's a nice little cabin over there, made out of bamboo, thatched roof. Big deer. This seems to be the tourist attraction. Oh, pretty cool. Be a full-time job rebuilding things like this, you know. Oh, everybody's buying a lucky ribbon. Why is there no rice on the rice? Ah, yeah, there is. Seem to be ready to harvest. What kind of rice is that? I have no idea. Looks like jasmine to me, but I might be wrong. There, you can go right up inside them. Everybody's waiting their turn to go up, get their picture taken. This is the main attraction here. This is where most of the people are. This is where King Kong is. Farm animals, bunch of food for sale. And you got some paddle wheel boat things that seem to go quite fast. There was another one here a minute ago. Oh, that was a nice big fish jumped. They're fishing on the other side. Yeah, fish are smart. Oh, that's pretty cool though, huh? Right up the opposite end. You can see it right at the end there. That's the dam where we started at. So we're right at the opposite end now. Okay guys, that is it. The main attraction here is probably the King Kong area or this. And for me, this is the reason to come here. It's an awesome place to eat. The food we had was delicious. Absolutely delicious and cheap. There is a few tourists here, more now than when I first came. Quite a few more now than when I first came. But still majority Thai people and a few Asian tourists as well. But a place like this and the locals are eating here, it's a pretty good sign that the food's not bad, you know. I ate straight over there somewhere. I don't know. It all looks the same from here. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Link to the blog post is in the video description. I'll put the eating video, the food we had, in the blog post as well if you want to check that out. This is a cool place. If you're in Chiang Mai, I recommend it. Come spend a few hours here in the afternoon. It is hot, but you can swim. The water don't look great, but it is clean. The boat's stopped, but they got it all buoyed off, so if you don't go outside there, the boat don't come inside, you're safe. But the food here is the main reason to come, I think, and it's really, really good. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. And as always, thanks for watching. Beauty of a place. Beauty of a place.